Everyone said Mr. Brooks was lazy. He never worked, never helped anyone, never helped anyone. He just sat there all day long, watching everything around him. He does nothing at all the people in town would say.
Leo thought the same thing too. He never stopped to ask why.
Then one day, the sky turned dark and heavy. Heavy rain started to fall all over the town. The water in the small river began to rise very fast. It came closer and closer to people's homes. Everyone felt afraid. They did not know what to do.
"It will flood our houses!" they shouted in fear. "Everyone, get to safety!"
Leo watched from his porch, and he felt scared too. But then something surprising happened, right before their eyes.
Mr. Brooks did not run away like everyone else.
He picked up heavy bags of sand and carried them outside. He built a wall along the water to stop it from coming in. The rain fell harder, but he did not stop even once. He lifted big stones and put them where the wall was weak. Leo could not believe what he was seeing right now. He was doing all this hard work all by himself. The water hit the wall, but it could not pass through.
He was tired and wet, but he kept going for everyone.
Leo walked up to him, feeling very confused now.
Mr. Brooks looked at him with kind, tired eyes.
Then the old photo fell out of his pocket.
It was a picture of his son from many years ago. He loved this river very much.
Once the flood almost took him away from me.
Lean on me, Leo,
So now I watch.
so no one else gets hurt here.
Leo felt very sorry for thinking he was lazy. He finally understood why he sat there every single day.
Soon all the people came to help him finish the work.
Slowly, the heavy rain stopped falling on the town. The water did not reach any house at all that day.
No one ever called him lazy ever again after that.
They all said thank you for saving their homes.
He smiled quietly, happy that everyone was safe.
And Leo learned a very big and important lesson. Never judge someone until you know their secret.